In this brief screencast, I'm going to show you how to use the Solus or Sakai Forums tool. Some of you may be familiar with the Discussion Forums tool, which was available in previous versions of Solus or Sakai. The Forums tool has a different kind of a setup, so it's a little bit tricky to get used to it, but once you know the hierarchy of the features within it, it should be easier. So in the Forums tool, I've already created two forums. One is called the General Q&A forum and another one is called the eActivities. So let's say I want to create a new forum called the Student Lounge. So it's just an area where students will maybe get to know one another. Okay, so we'll just call it Student Lounge. Okay, we can decide whether or not we want to have a short description. We don't have to. Maybe in the lengthier description box we might just say, use this Student Lounge to get to know one another. Okay, if you scroll down you can see you can add attachments if you wanted to. There's an option there to lock the forum, so maybe after a certain period of time you might want to lock the forum so no more postings can be made. The option to moderate topics, what that does is it doesn't post the student's message until you have moderated it, so it may be appropriate in certain circumstances. And another useful feature is to require users to post before reading. Okay, so you may want students to put something up before they can see anyone else's. We leave the setting to show immediately because we do want this forum to be available, or we might decide no, don't open this forum until a specific date. If that was the case, you'd click on that and specify your dates. Okay, but we'll go back to show immediately. Okay, let's say you do or don't want to be reading the messages afterwards. There's also a setting there just to mark them all as read, because you may have read them or you may have asked someone else to read them for you. Maybe somebody's teaching assistant might have graded them on your behalf, but you might not want it to show that you've a whole load of unread messages. Okay, so we'll just click on save here for the moment. So now we have our three forums. The new one that we just created was called Student Lounge. If you click on the full description, that was the text I typed in a short while ago, so the student will see this and they'll know what the Student Lounge is for. Now it's very important that once you create a new forum, it's not automatically visible to students. You actually have to add a topic to that forum before it becomes visible. So what kind of topics would we have? Well, we might have a getting to know you topic within the Student Lounge. Okay, so we'll create that, or getting to know one another. Okay, and then we might say, use this topic to get to know one another. Okay. We leave all the settings as they are. You can note there is an option to allow for anonymous posts, but if you do select that, you can't undo it afterwards. So just make a sound decision at the time. Okay. Click on save. All right. So we've got our three forums. Within the Student Lounge forum, we've a getting to know one another topic, and there are no messages posted so far. So from the student perspective, what does a student have to do to post something to that topic within that forum? The student needs to click on start a new conversation. Okay, so they might say hi there. That might just be the title of their posting. Obviously, as time goes on, you want them to be a bit more clear about what their message is, but in the Student Lounge it's more casual. You might say, my name is Darina ... Okay, they might want to upload a picture or whatever, and then they click on post. All right, so within the Forums tool, we're in the Student Lounge forum, we're in the getting to know one another topic, and within that getting to know one another topic, there is a conversation posted by Darina, and then to view it, you just click on the conversation, and there's my message there. Okay, so the hierarchy is very important. Within the Forums tool, you have multiple forums. Within each forum, you have possibly multiple topics. Within each topic, then students start multiple conversations. Okay, so that's your hierarchy there for the Forums tool. I hope you find this helpful.